All right guys, welcome to Lumara. Today we're going to be going over how to use your Iluminate panel, as well as using the Velcro and the Lumara arch. So let's jump right in. There are multiple ways you can use the panel. So primarily it's used for facials for our professional clinics, as they mainly curve the panel over the client's face. However, the panel is very versatile. If you wanted to do a stomach treatment, you could curve it over your stomach. Or let's say you were laying on your stomach, you could also do treatments on your lower back. You could curve it over your shoulder. You could have it lay over your knees, curve it around your feet. There's a limited amount of ways you can use the Iluminate panel to treat. So don't feel limited just because you see it used in the professional settings of the clinics. You can use it all over your body for any treatment area. And you can use it back to back. So I know we say there's a 5-minute treatment time. You are more than capable of using it longer. Let's say you wanted to do your entire body. You can do it in 5 to 10 minute sections and treat your entire body with your panel. So definitely take advantage of all the uses. Now, let's jump right in and we're gonna start how to use the Velcro strip. Once you have your Velcro strip open, you're simply gonna slide it in on both sides of the Iluminate panel. You're gonna push down and you're simply going to Velcro it to itself. And as you can see, it's automatically gonna hold it in an arch shape. So let's say you have a client where you want it a little bit lower, you can have it like that, or you can also adjust it so it's tighter. So if you needed a deeper arch, you can pull it higher up, and that way it's going to be higher up on the client so you have more clearance. All right, and now let's talk about the Lumara arch. So Lumara arch will come flat like this. All you're going to do is once you receive it, you're going to take these two handles and you're going to turn them about 45 degrees. So this is where the panel is going to rest. And if you have the older model, we actually just redesigned this. It normally clipped on the bottom, but this one, it's going to sit right inside. So you can 100% leave the panel in the Lumara arch. If you prefer to store it that way, it's 100% safe staying in the curved form. Now, let's say you want to take off the panel from the arch. The simplest way to do it, you're going to push down with your thumbs. This is going to remove it, both sides, push down. Once the arch is free, I like to just grab it, panel one hand, arch with the other. So that is the easiest way. It can be a little difficult for you to get started at first, but eventually you'll get the hang of it, being able to slide it back and forth. Then you can see we're on. I'll go and demonstrate one more time for you guys. So again, we're gonna squeeze in a bit, press down on both sides. That's gonna unlock it, close the panel together, one hand and one hand with the arch. And that is how you use the Lumara panel with the Velcro strip and the Lumara arch. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.